Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your microphone not working on Discord mobile. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to try to do is simply go ahead and go to your phone's system settings. And then you want to go down to apps. And then you want to look for Discord and enable your microphone settings. If you don't see the microphone settings here, you might need to go ahead and look for it inside of your privacy and security tab right over here. Simply go ahead and look for microphone and make sure that it is enabled for Discord right over here. So it is as simple as that. If that doesn't work, you might need to go ahead and open your Discord app, tap on your profile icon and tap on the top right settings icon. Scroll down and tap on voice and make sure that auto sensitivity is turned off and make sure that input sensitivity is adjusted accordingly. And you might also need to go ahead and turn off your noise suppression and echo cancellation. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.